Hello, this is Edwin. This is part 2 of the Canva training that I'm going to be teaching you. Today I'm going to teach you how to duplicate or copy the same design that you have just created. And so what I'm going to do here is actually just go up here and you're going to see these two double papers. And I'm hovering over it right now, and even as I hover over it, it says copy page. So I'm going to copy this. And if I go to page 2, as you can see, it has copied it. And if I scroll up, you're going to see page 1. So I copied it exactly how I designed it. The reason why you want to do this is because now that you already have a template, you can just reuse this design and just change out the text or the picture. So, for example, for this one, I put 21 day fast, day 12. So what I can easily do is if I just want the same picture, I can just use day 13. But I do want to change it up a little bit because I do want to not make the audience think it's the same post. So I want to change up the picture. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to click on this by clicking the left button of the mouse. And then I'm going to use the pictures that I've gathered up from the last video. So I'm just going to choose a random one. Just going to choose this one. And then I'm going to scroll up and adjust this. Alright, so after this you definitely want to get that transparent background again, because I did delete it. So I'm going to get a square and I'm just going to drag over this. I'm going to make this black and I'm going to put this at 25%. Okay, so from here we got the picture ready. So now I want to put that outline back in. So I'm going to click this on the left and I want to shrink this down because the lines are too big for my taste. So I'm going to just stretch it out like this. And then I also want to change up the text just because I want to make this a little different. Alright, so I got a new design going right now. As you can see, it's the same style, but I just changed up the text and I also changed up the picture. And again, if you want to make another one, you can always copy the page again and it'll make a new one, and then the process starts all over again.